over a basic rifleman's kit from the 80s, 90s era. I'm 16A2 here. This is a cold licensed airsoft. Came with the tip here, and yeah, AEG. Battery goes in the buttstock, and I have installed an authentic GI handguard, which I bought at a fair for relatively cheap. With that, 2 ammo pouches, each full with 3 magazines, 30 round, and they are airsoft milsim milsim cap, so they hold 30 rounds each. Got 2 frag grenades, inert, anglehead light red, I'll get a little closer for you, black leather hide. We've got some tape here on this carabiner, which I kind of just store it in this gap here. This is also in the gap. 2 canteens, 1 quart each, with the black NBC caps. There's a stove heater thingy, very wire handled cup, water purifiers here, and ear pro here, tied down to my web belt. Got the M17 with the bag. This rope I just kind of tie around. I might need some more tension on it, but that's just so I don't have to wrap it all the way around my leg. I can take it off quickly when I need to. And then just the bandage pouch up here. This kit is very lightweight, very functional. The only thing is if you're mounting Humvees or something, these are a little bit too far back. You might want them a little bit closer to the side. Other than that, this is the standard gig you would be using. Very simple. And with the Alice system, you can put whatever you need onto it. Yeah, BDUs, basically. Simple. Everything's been the same. Nothing too much. So yeah, that's the kit. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and watch more of my videos. Thank you.